How to fix Instagram story views. Hello guys, so welcome back to another short tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram story views. Or what you have to do guys is very simple. Just click on the settings on your phone, and then all what you have to do is go to the wireless and networks. Right here, or what you have to do is turn off the Wi-Fi and turn it on again, and then go to the apps. Now on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. As you can see, click on Instagram and then click on force stop and go to this data usage option. Make sure to enable the Wi-Fi and the mobile data. Go back, and now what you have to do is turn off your phone and turn it on again, and the problem must be solved. See you later.